Hi, hello, Dr.Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, we're going to see about a website, which is actually a budding website, which is going to give a very good information on all these stuffs like what is the market share, what is the current business the company is doing, from where the main profits of the company is coming. Like it would be like a basic identification for the fundamental research. And this site is a budding site and it's looking very much promising at this moment. Let me go ahead and walk through the site. So you'll be really enjoying this content of the site. So let's straight away go ahead and work on this accordingly. So let me start this with the site. So the site which I'm going to speak for today is Tijori Finance. Okay, Tijori Finance is a Bangalore-based company, and it is giving up some clarity on the financial things which we are seeing as a new in the industry as of now on fundamental analysis specifically. So this is having a complete information about all the sectors if you are looking out for any company. Okay, so what is the market presence of that company, and what are the spends they are doing on the R&D work, advertisement, and what is the store rent they are paying, and how much they are spending on the rent. All the things is getting populated here. So it is like information which we'll be having in the newspaper or some other sites like fintech and other sites, right? So all these informations are getting collided, and we are having here like a single stop. So we'll be having completely. So this US company's new is there, right? This is going to be the beta version. Currently they're testing, and this is not working that much fine at this moment. So we are going to the second tab, macro. Macro is nothing but the macro data. Okay, macro data which is available on the market on a monthly basis. So this is credit to large industry outstanding. This is the complete data on the macro data. This you will be getting in papers at the end of the month end, right? So all this data you're going to get it in this site. As a one-time viewer, you can see these things on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis. Some data here are completely on monthly. Something we'll be getting on weekly and daily data too. So it's a demand, GST. All this data right now will be like a monthly data at this moment, I guess. So all these are monthly data. So we have all the three tabs here: industry, demand, GDP, and trade. So you can check all the things one by one. It's given. Okay, GDP currently we are going in a very is getting reduced. So that we can say. So this is something like a quarterly data. Other things are monthly data. So this is the basic tab of macros. So we'll be getting all the macro information here. So far, none of the fundamental sites is giving the macro data. This is the first site which is giving the macro data. So this is how this sites will be working. So that is how they have given it this. So it's like, what is the current presence of the number of mobile subscribers, all the things, ARPU. It's like a economic times paper or business standard paper, which will be giving a complete information about where the actual cost of the company is going and how it is getting utilized. So we can do these filters. Let's go one by one, detailing. So I'm going to the sectors. So you can do these things sector wise also. And if you want to go for individual stocks also, you can go for the individual stock. If you want to use a filter, you can use filter also. So right now, let me move directly to the aviation sector. Reason being, there is very limited space here in the aviation, so we can see the things easily. Okay, I'm just going for the aviation for showing you very clearly. So this is the index of aviation sector. So we know very clearly in aviation we have Interglobe, SpiceJet, and Jet Airways currently in the market. So currently operational is from Indigo and SpiceJet alone. So that is the main important point here. So if you go for market share here, click the second tab, market share. So this will show the market share exactly what is happening. You can see Go Air is not the listed player. Air Asia, Vistara, Jet Airways, everything is, Air Vistara, nothing is, all these two are not the listed player, but still you can able to know where exactly they are standing. So as per the market share of domestic, Indigo is standing large with 50.6. So that is the, so out of 100 people who are flying, 50 people are flying in Indigo. So international, again, Indigo is having 13.4%. So of the passenger rate, and there are so much other thing player here. Etihad, you can select everyone. We'll be getting the complete detail who is playing who. Again, as per the Indian moves, right? India is operating international flights as well, right? From India, we are operating international flights. In that ratio, also the passenger carried is higher in interglobe. So that is the main reason why Indigo is in the peak on the aviation sector. That stock price is higher, right? So that is what I meant to say. So that is the market leader. So they are having the higher presence. So that is the reason. So far, this data are not available in majority of the fundamental sites. This is the only site which is giving all this information. See, you can check this as well. You select the company. So it's like whatever things is there, you can able to check. See the flight occupancy rate. So it's like slightly SpiceJet is having higher occupancy rate than Indigo. And passenger carried per month, I feel that Indigo will be having higher. Yes. Sorry. Yeah. Indigo is having higher. SpiceJet is having only 3.31 lakhs. So accordingly, you can navigate to all these things and you can find it out. Okay. So this is how it goes. So all this is very useful to make an analysis on the company, whether we have to enter this company and this company will be having future or not. So all these things is easily available here. Let me navigate to any other sector. All the sectors is available. Majority of the sectors is available here. So let me go to hospital sector. Let me check which company is having the highest bed in the hospital sector. Obviously, the answer is Apollo, but let's take this side. So now here, so there is index and operational metrics here for hospital sector. So we don't have anything called market share. Let's move on to some other fields here. We'll be having some people. So healthcare, let's select the company again. So Aster DM, Max India, Fortis Muller. So we don't have Apollo. I can put Apollo here. Whoever is the listed player, I mean, whoever is there in the presence in India, most probably they will be available here. So hospital occupancy rate, this guy is having average daily revenue per occupied bed. So this guy is having more rate, more revenue in case of per occupied bed. So this guy, Aster DM. So that is one of the highest thing. Hospital accuracy rate. Let's check. Hello. So hospital occupancy rate right now, Indra Prasad Medical is the one which is having highest. I don't know in which place they are. And after that, it is going to be Kovai Medical. Kovai Medical is not coming here. Not getting operational beds. Let's go directly here. Yeah. Here we go. Yes. Operational beds. That is total number of beds available, right? Apollo is the leading one, and after that it's Narayana Hydrolaya. It's 5859 beds, and after that it's Fortis Healthcare. They're having around close to 3,000 beds. So this is the data I was looking out. So I got that. Likewise, we can able to get all the details here. So that is one of the major thing we can see in the fundamental analysis. Okay, I'm now jumping to pharma sector. Let's check what is happening here. I just want to show you this site to you all for your fundamental analysis. So, which is going to be the market player or market leader? So we need to check, and accordingly we can able to put a money on them. Like whenever there is a dip from their 52-week high of around close to 20 to 30%, you can use that opportunity in adding up things. But still, without knowing this data, so you could not able to manage it, right? So that is the reason I am showing it to you. So this is the pharma sector completely. I'm going with the market share. So this is the complete metrics of the pharma. So what are the things available? So right now in domestic pharma sales, market sales is Sun Pharma is leading this field. Yeah. Let's check which is leading. Majority, there is a close tie between Cipla and Sun. So they are leading the domestic thing. Anti-infective, Alkem. Alkem is leading here. Yes, Alkem is leading the anti-infective, and cardiovascular segment, Sun Pharma is leading. Again, Torrent Pharma. Both are close. Gastro. Yes. You have to select all the things because 1 or 4 only it is coming. 3 or 4 only. Yeah. So Abbott is coming very close to Sun Pharma here. So that is specifically you can check. Anti-diabetes segment, you can check all of the two. See which is leading. Lupin is leading this sector. That is vitamin and dietary supplement sector. Hope you know, right? Abbott is going good in the Pediasure, all of the things, right? Pedigree, all of the things. So that is how Abbott is leading this. So we can able to see that in the advertisements as well. Let's go for Vaccine. So Vaccine, GSK is leading this sector. Vaccine. Sex simulations. Cadila is leading this sector, I guess. Yeah. So this is how this we can able to see all these things, which is which and what is the demand. Accordingly, we can go ahead and check. So they have some other things as well. So you can check if you want number of ANDA approval, R&D, as of domestic sales growth, all other things also you can able to check. Whatever information you are looking, basically you can go ahead and check. Let me jump to telecom sector. So right now, what is the status of telecom? So previously we had our player Bharati Airtel is leading the game. Right now we have Jio leading the game. Let's check how much percentage these guys are leading. Yeah, here we go. Telecom, the market share, there would be a close competency between three companies, Airtel, Reliance and Vodafone. So that are the three major things which is operating in India at the moment, major leagues. Yeah. So see the competitions here. Yeah. Airtel is completely out now, so we don't want to check that, but still I am selecting that. Yeah. Right now, Reliance Industries Jio is leading the market with 32.99% share. That is close to 33%. And Bharati Airtel and Vodafone are very close. So they are operating with 28.35 and 28%. They are very close to each other's. And BSNL is now leading with 10 point something. So it's like 56 out of 100%. It is majority with all these four players only, and majorly it is Reliance, and that is not that much higher. It is slightly 5% higher than this two players. And broadband subscribers, again, Reliance Jio is leading this. Reliance is leading this sector, and it is marginally very, very high. So it's like 56%, and Bharati Airtel is having only 21%. So that is the margin gap between the first and second place is very, very higher, and there is a close level of things between Bharati Airtel and Vodafone, and BSNL is again struggling here with just 3.62. So that is where we have to collect these things. Number of mobile subscribers according to the company. Again, this is getting led by our leading player, Reliance Industry. Let's check BSNL here as well. So BSNL we could not able to get it here. So ARPU again. ARPU, Bharati Airtel is leading. Yeah, average revenue per customer. So it is led by Bharati. Number of data subscribers, I guess here it will be Jio. Yes. Yeah, you can able to see there is a quite higher margin here. Monthly data average here also it will be Jio. Okay, no, it's not Jio, and it is here again Airtel. Monthly voice per minute per user. Yeah. So these are the ways how you can able to check what is what. So this is something like a good information. So if this particular sector which you are looking out is not available, right? What you can do is you can able to type that particular stock over here. Okay, for example, Asian Paints. There is no paint sectors available. I'm going for Asian Paints here. So you can see the Asian Paints market share. So currently they are getting 60% of the market share in decorative paints and automatic coatings. They are getting 20% market share. So you can able to see all the things here, connections, financials, everything as well here. So they will be giving all the things. So home improvement, all the things which are given in the pictorial view. So where is the market area for them, from where the business is coming, all the other things. So advertisement spends as of total sales. They are spending around close to 4.54 in advertisements. Management compensation as of sales. So they are paying around close to 0.11% for their management things. So this is how the sector is getting, particular stock is getting checked here. This is a site which I want to give an introduction about you, with you all, because this I found it as a very new, and I'm I've started to use for my fundamental analysis, and it is this is the information which I'm looking for a very long time. Like what is the market share of a particular company, all these things. So this filter is a parameter that I want to show to you guys. Filter is nothing but you can write very simply, like just you can type it in a single word, like say all other things you can try. So what I'm going to do is I'm typing chemical company, specialty chemicals, or you can put alkalines, alkali chemicals, market share, and I'll put as tires. No. So this will list all the companies which is having in the, which are in the tire sector above 10% market share. Yeah. So tractor metal means, yeah. So right now steel strips wheels, this is having 70% market share in off-road tires, metal wheel rims, 70% market share in off-road, tire, metal, wheel rims, etc. And Wheels India, fine, they are having around close to, they are the leading players right now. Minda Industry, they are the listed players, 50% market share in automobile. I don't know about these two companies, I have to check. TVS Rickshaw is also a known company only. So these are the market players which are dominating this space. So go to this second. JK Tires and Industries, Goodyear, in rubber, Apollo Tires, MRF, C8. So we will get all the values, like I have given greater than 10, right? So we will be getting all the things. So accordingly, you can able to go ahead and search. So let me put 40. So you will be getting only 40%. So whatever things you want, you can go ahead and take a note on it, and you can just check it. So you will be getting all the details of that. So it is, they are the listed players. Steel Strip Vehicles Limited. Okay. Good, yeah. Good knowing about this company today. So this is how we have to pick up the companies accordingly, and we can check what is the value currently available and how it is going to go as per worth, all the things. So that's all the information I have for the day, my dear friends. Hope this information is useful for your analysis on stocks. Thanks for watching this video. I'll try to catch you all guys with yet another video very shortly. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay safe. Bye-bye. Take care.